Hi, my name is Jerry Schubert. I'm the Program Director here at CyberTex Institute of Technology. We're very excited here about the program. We're going to start the program at the end of the month. So I'm going to give you a tour of the lab and let you know what's going on, how we're going to do this. All right, this is our electrical training boards. These boards will teach you basic electricity on how to wire up condensers, fan motors, thermostats. The students will train on these to learn the basic electricity, and then from there, that's the station we'll move to. Here we have a split AC system. This is going to be a trainer for the students. They'll learn about refrigeration, the way the refrigeration cycle works. They'll wire the system up. They'll also do wiring diagrams on this particular system. And the next one we'll have another station here. This is going to be the gas heat station where they'll learn to work on gas furnaces. They'll be able to work on natural gas and propane. Here in Central Texas, the demand for air conditioning and heating technicians is always growing. And here at CyberTex, we can offer you the opportunity to become a service technician by giving you hands-on training and the opportunity to use our training facility to train for the industry. So I invite you guys to come out and look at our facility, ask questions. We'll be more than glad to help you with any questions you have, and we look forward to seeing you here at CyberTex.